if the internet connection is good. Good evening guys, आप सभी लोगों को मेरी तरफ से प्यार भरा नमस्ते. Good evening to all of you wonderful people who just joining in. I'm very sorry that I'm just a little bit late than the normal time. Okay, so I think so we would be having a few joinees, and yes, we also, okay fine, so I do have my wife joining in. Good evening my love. So my wife has joined in. पूनम ने ज्वाइन किया है. पूनम नमस्ते. थोड़े कुछ चैम्पियंस हैं जो धीरे धीरे ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं. नमस्ते पूनम. नमस्ते. ट्विंकल हैज़ ज्वाइंड इन. आई एम अक्षय. शेरे हैज़ ज्वाइंड इन. बीइंग मनीष 491, दैट्स माय जीजा जी हु इज ज्वाइंड इन. मनीष जीजू कैसे हैं आप? हाय अक्षय, हाउ यू डूइंग? ट्विंकल है. ट्विंकल नमस्ते. नमस्ते 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 पूनम. ओके, सो मुझे कुछ बातें करनी थी. वी हैड 7 क्वेश्चंस. आई हैव आंसर्ड देम पर्सनली, एंड कुछ चीज़ें हैं जो हम लोग आज डिस्कस करेंगे. वाई बीइंग सेल्फिश इज़ वेरी गुड. सो आई विल बी टेकिंग अ फ्यू नेम्स and they would be on the call itself. Can't hear. Okay, just give me a minute. Poonam, are you able to hear? I just go ahead and confirm it. सोनू तुम सुन पा रहे हो? Okay, so I'm audible. Okay. Oh, being Manish 491 is Manish भाई. नमस्कार जेबी सर. ओके मनीष भाई नमस्ते. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. आई थॉट इट इज़ माई जीजू. मेरे जीजू हैं, उनका नाम भी मनीष है. सो मनीष भाई नमस्ते. यू आर एबल टू हियर. परफेक्ट. दैट्स गुड. सो ट्विंकल आप एक काम कीजिए. यू कैन जस्ट रीजॉइन द सेशन वंस अगेन. ऑल राइट. ओके, सो टुडेज सेशन इज़ मोर अबाउट वाई बीइंग सेल्फिश इज़ गुड. क्यों ऐसा होता है कि आप अगर मतलबी हो जाएं. Being Manish is your beloved Manish from Calcutta. I completely agree about it. So Manish भाई अच्छा लगा देखकर, अच्छा लगा. It's good that you know you're over here. और yes, we will be talking about a few questions. हमारे पास almost 7 questions है. 5 of them are personally answered because I would not be able to answer all of the questions in a single session itself. You can hear now. That's very good. Okay. Talking about relationships, now there will be so many people who've just been in relationship or maybe 2 or 3 years. आप में से बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग होंगे जो 2 या 3 साल ऑलरेडी रिलेशनशिप में रह चुके हैं. एंड यू नो देर आर टाइम्स दैट यू नो वी कॉल द ट्यूमल्टस टाइम्स. इसका मतलब होता है ऊपर नीचे जाती हैं इशूज़. एंड यू नो दैट्स परफेक्टली फाइन. हर रिलेशनशिप के अंदर झगड़े होते हैं. यू हैव टसल इन योर रिलेशनशिप. But let me tell you about a few cases that you know have come up since the last 2 years. 2 years I have been handling a lot of relationship cases, and one thing that I came to know is that when people were on the verge of being separated, दो लोग हैं जो एक दूसरे के साथ बिल्कुल रहना ही नहीं चाहते थे, and the only thing that was able to save that relationship is bringing the character back. Okay, now what do I mean by bringing the character back? We will talk about this word character, and it actually associates to you being natural. So see that title itself that says why being selfish. Being selfish simply means being in your character. Everyone has to be selfish because we are selfish. हम लोग सभी लोग ऐसे ही रहते हैं. And being selfish simply means over here being natural. Normally when you get into a relationship, there are a lot of compromises which is perfectly fine. There are a lot of changes in your life which are perfectly fine. But then there are chances when things go wrong. And we will talk about the tangents. When we talk about men and women, we will talk about the tangents. So what do men look for in a relationship when they are in a relationship with a woman? और ये मोटा मोटा तौर के पर बिल्कुल सही रहेगा. Which means you know you talk about women over here in London, in Australia, Germany, anywhere, and you talk about men in India, or you talk about men in UK or anywhere else. So we all have tangents. What do I mean by tangents? It simply means that when you get into a relationship, you look out for something in a relationship, right? Women normally will look out for one thing, and that is called stability. Understand this very very clearly. Women will always look out for stability in a relationship, and this has been tried and tested. So 99% of times when I talk to women, and if I ask them, okay fine, what will happen, you get the kind of a person that you want. So women will normally come up with a list. What kind of man you want, they will come up with a long list. They want a man who is very handsome, this, that and everything. everything comes up. And then comes my question, and I ask them, okay, fine, so you have all of these things, you also get the man who is, who's got a lot of who's got a good bank balance and things like that. Now let me go and ask you one thing. You get this kind of a man, but what if this man is not stable? Okay, maybe he's cheating or he's not loyal, or he's not even cheating, he's not even disloyal, but he doesn't love you. Okay, the answer that will 99% times come from a woman is they would not get into a relationship. And then comes the actual thing. Okay, so that's a tangent for all of the women. Okay, what do I mean by tangent? It is, what do you go and what do you look for in a relationship? When you get into a relationship, it is stability. What do men look out for in a relationship? 99% times men always will look out for a comfort zone in the relationship. Now you might feel, अरे भैया मैं नहीं हूँ ऐसा. You could be an exception. 99% of times men will always look out for comfort zone in a relationship. What do I mean by that line is, let me go and explain it to you. दो लोग एक दूसरे को डेट कर रहे हैं. Supposing there are two people who date each other. The man will always go and tell the person who is dating, the girl who is dating, is that, I have a chutti today, or maybe I am on a leave today. Why don't you pack up and come? So a man will always look out for comfort zone. Okay, there is a movie which is going on at this place. A man will seldom go out from his comfort zone unless and until it is not with his male friends. Okay, so get this very, very right. Why am I talking about this thing is because you don't have a conflict of opinion. Okay, when you want to keep a relationship, don't get into a conflict of opinion. So if your man wants something which is more into the comfort zone, you don't have to go and agree with him, because your tangents also need to be agreed, right? I hope everyone has understood this point, that there are two different things that happen when a man and a woman get into a relationship. Okay, and no, we are not talking about young teenagers, because young teenagers, it has been seen. Now this is not what I say, this is what psychologists say. So when a young couple, anywhere between 13, 14, 15, that's teenager, anywhere between 13 to 20, 21, when you get into a relationship in this specific age group, it is always, men are looking out for a specific type of nose. You might feel, "Arey, kya baat kar rahe ho?" This is what psychology says, okay? And women basically look out for either 5 of these things, and we will not be talking about it. It could be power, it could be humor, it could be money, it could be his approachability. So there are 5 factors that happen. But when you, as soon as you start progressing, okay, when you get of the age of 25, more than that, and when you're looking out for a good relationship, these are the 2 tangents. Okay, women look out for stability, men look out for comfort zone. Now coming to talk about it, what exactly makes a relationship stay for a long term? Okay, and with men, with women, it is the same thing. Okay, again, please understand that this is the key to a good relationship. This is the key to good relationship. And I will give you 10 other examples, and you will start feeling what you're saying, Mukesh, is right. Okay, what do I mean by that? That one word is called character. And by that, I do not mean not cheating, not being loyal. It simply means your own quirkiness, or maybe your own specific type of personality. It could be, the way that you talk. It could be the way that you walk. Something that, becomes a mix, and it becomes a character. Okay, unless and until you don't get into that character, your relationship cannot sustain for a long time. Get this right. Unless and until you don't get into that character, your relationship cannot sustain for a long time. Now let me go ahead and give you an example, and these are real life examples. 2 couples who were working last year itself, it was COVID, and then people started living with each other. So it was very hard, not gossiping, not bitching, because you were not going to the office, you were not meeting your friends, and that whole negativity started coming up before each other. So married people or live-in people, they were all coming across a different personality for the first time after 7 or 8 years, and it started getting sour. Why? Because people had to adjust. People had their own personality, and they were going away from that character that they had. Why do people go away from their character? Because they have roles to play. Okay, so many times you must have seen women who are into a big role. So all of the time in their office, they are someone, maybe a CEO or maybe a manager. The same thing goes with men. Okay, and then there are men whom I know, they have retired, or maybe they are off their job. They are not the same into the same role. I still remember my father. My father, after he retired, for the first 3 months, it was very hard for for my father to realize that he had retired. He was still in the same role of an engineer, And then there are so many women who always tell me that, my husband recently got off his job, but still early in the morning he will wake up at 5:30, he will ask for his tea, he will ask for his dabba. So these are the roles that we go and imbibe. You need to get out of the role when you are in a relationship. This is for everyone, okay? This is for everyone. If you want to sustain your relationship, please get off your role. If you have had something which is imbibed as your role, you need to become more selfish about what your character is. So that's exactly what I mean when I say being selfish. What does it mean? It is being yourself. Now, two couples, and these are just examples, real life examples, they were going to separate. And I never said that, they should be going ahead and talking about it. I said, you've already discussed. What do I mean? I'm no one over here to go ahead and tell you. The only thing that I can tell you is that I know both the parties, okay? And it's very hard for me to explain anything to anyone, because it would be, if I tell this person to adjust, it would be something wrong with the other person. So I said, okay, perfectly fine. What you can do is start giving some space to each other, and you guys can stay away. And don't even get into this fact कि नहीं हम दूर चले जा रहे हैं and we will be coming back. Don't get into that head, okay? And let it flow. Get into the flow for some days. So it's obvious that the woman would not go, or maybe the women went out or the men went out. Maybe they started staying apart, or they were staying in the same house, but they were now not putting their nose into anything. So the husband would come back maybe from the office, or he would finish off his Zoom meetings and everything, and he would not go to his wife's phone and look out into things. ये क्या बोल रहा है? And the wife would also not do the same. She would also not peep her nose, or put her nose into anything, because they were living separately. When I say living separately, they were now getting away from their role. They were now getting selfish about just themselves. They now had all of the time in the world to get back to the same place that they were doing. All of a sudden, you find this man or this woman, they've now started getting happier. The man or the women, okay, slowly, they are getting into their happy spaces. They are slowly getting into their happy spaces because they don't have anyone who wants to put their nose. What exactly happened that the man or the woman, they started putting in their nose? It's a habit of the roles that we play, right? So the women started becoming a very possessive wife, or the man became a very possessive husband or a boyfriend, and that actually created a lot of sourness in the relationship, okay? This is also for people who are dating. So at one point of time, I had to talk, and I had to ask, the girl or someone else, that you should not be bowing down actually before the comfort zone of other person. The other person might say that it is my holiday, you come over here, you take the ticket, let's go ahead and go out for a movie, this is the place that we need to go, and everything was being done by the women or maybe the man. And somewhere down the line, they started playing the role. Being selfish simply means going off from the role. So if you've been a manager, when you are in a relationship, don't be a manager, don't be a director, don't be a mother, okay? A man who's been with a wife will certainly look out for a wife and not always a mother. That's how we go and create a character. Alright? What exactly happened in the last 2 months is that, I have been seeing a lot many people, as soon as they started staying separate, they started looking out for hobbies. They went back to their own hobbies. Maybe, painting or singing or this or that. The man was also able to meet a lot many old friends. And all of a sudden, you had two unhappy people who started getting happier. Two unhappy people who were always unhappy for the last 2 years. Okay? Two unhappy minds staying together. All of a sudden, just that gap created two happy people. And they were also able to see that happiness actually goes ahead and changes that person. So being selfish simply means looking out for what you exactly want in your life. Okay? Don't get away from your goals. And by that, please remember that, when I say being selfish does not mean you being mean about things, okay? Please understand this. I am not conveying the message that you need to be mean with the other person, okay? Perfect. Let's go ahead and, look out for whosoever is joined. मैं देख लेता हूँ कौन-कौन join किया हुआ है. Audible, that's good. Able to hear, thank you. हाँ मनीष भाई, thank you. I can hear now. Good. सोनामने अजय है, अजय है, नमस्ते. ADV ईशा हैं, I think so it's advocate ईशा. Okay, ईशा नमस्ते. Smriti is here. I think so it could be Smriti. Smriti is one of our champion clients, so it's very nice to see Smriti over here. Smriti नमस्ते, कैसे हैं आप? एकता इज हियर. एकता नमस्ते. स्मृति नमस्ते. इट्स वेरी नाइस टू सी यू. मैं बहुत खुश हो जाता हूँ. शी इज़ वन ऑफ आवर champion clients. I call her champion because she's got a lot of positivity and she's been a wonderful person. So Smriti, namaste. It's very nice to see you over here. When you think about yourself, people take you on a guilt trip. Hi Ekta. So when think about yourself, people take you on a guilt trip. Can you please go ahead and explain what exactly do you mean? Are you saying that people are taking you for granted? Is that what's happening? If that's what you're saying, so I will go ahead and talk about real life incidents and maybe you guys can go ahead and correlate with it. So मैं दो लोगों की बात कर रहा था यहाँ पर, 2 couples. I will talk about a few more. Okay. And trust me, all of the times, all 6 of the times that I have seen now, I was not playing any part into it. I was just over there watching them taking their own spaces. Okay. So, and this is not just about working couple, this is also about youngsters 27, 23, 24. ऐसे एज के ग्रुप के भी बच्चे हैं जिनके बारे में मैं अभी बात कर रहा हूँ. So they were in a live-in relationship, all went wrong during COVID, and all of a sudden there was a lot of selfishness. I mean, there was a lot of possessiveness that was coming in, कि तू इससे क्यों बात करता है, तू इससे क्यों बात करता है, and everything started going haywire. So the man was always going ahead and drinking only when the man wanted to drink. So that's exactly what happens. People start getting into the rules, and somewhere down the line, when both the people decided कि नहीं, मैं नहीं रह सकता, I have to get out of that relationship, one should not be stopping the other person. Okay, that's a specific point that I would request you to do. Now please remember that this is not about discord. मैं ऐसा नहीं बोल रहा कि रिश्ते तोड़ देने चाहिए. मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ, you will always get time to ponder about something only when you have space. And I've spoken about it last time also, right? मैंने इसके बारे में पिछले बार भी बात की थी. What's the best time that you can suggest a person? कौन सा ऐसा टाइम रहता है कि जब आप किसी को भी जो चीज़ चाहिए वो सजेस्ट कर सकते हैं. So I come over here to you and I can ask you. See, there are people who have a lot of issues. Okay, so many people. Now I can go and give you 10 many other examples. A person who's got acidity, severe acidity, and that person goes to a place and he finds 10 other new friends, and amongst those 10 other people there is someone who might ask, अरे मुझे acidity. The person who's got acidity, who's not cured the acidity, might go and give 10 suggestions to the other person. Why? Because it is always the other person. It is always very easy to give suggestions and advices to others, but when it comes to you, there is no space. Why? Because the role and the characters are almost stuck together. So please understand that your roles and your character need to be different. You got into a relationship, and I'm not talking about flings or flirts. No, I'm talking about proper healthy relationships जहाँ पर दो लोग एक दूसरे के साथ रहे हैं. So if you've been in a relationship for long, it is wrong to go and tell you कि नहीं ठीक है, मैं अपने character में ही आ जाना चाहता हूँ. And that also it does not mean that you get so mean about things. So आप सुबह उठते हैं, सामने वाले के लिए खाना ही नहीं बनाते. Okay, that doesn't happen. And that doesn't be a part of your role. It's not a part of your role either. तो आप अगर सुबह उठते हैं, if I am staying with someone, whether I'm talking to the person or not, okay, you still have to go ahead and do a lot of things. So supposing if I am staying with people who were my roommates, okay, everyone has stayed with roommates. Maybe there are so many people who might not have stayed with roommates, right? So if you've stayed with roommates, and even if you don't talk with them, if you're going on a Sunday, if you're going to wash your clothes, you can always go ahead and ask them, do you want to go ahead and wash your clothes? That's being cooperative. So I'm not saying you become uncooperative. No. I'm just saying get into your character. That's exactly what attracted the other person. In all the cases that I'm talking about, all of the couples, when they started getting apart from each other, okay, they got off their role, they got into their character. They were able to dress properly for the first time. They were able to lose weight. They were happy. They started getting healthier. And all of a sudden, the whole charm, the whole attraction, it also started once again. Would you not want to go and get into that same romantic mode once again if you're into a relationship? Everyone would want. And let me tell you one thing. It doesn't matter how fat the other person is, how dark the other person is, how fair the other person is, if the nose is crooked or not, if the eyes are small or not. If you're in a relationship, you got into a relationship because there was a charm, there was attraction, it will always stay. You just have to get into the character. To get into the character, you need to be yourself. That's exactly what I'm trying to tell you over here, right? Let us go ahead and take a question. हर्षा has joined. नमस्ते हर्षा, कैसे हैं आप? नमस्ते नमस्ते. Okay, so I have a question from Ekta. Ekta says, yes, and they say आप अपने बारे में सोच रहे हो. I'm always looking for appreciation, respect. I always feel people are taking me for granted. Okay, it's not people who are taking you for granted, Ekta. You yourself are taking yourself for granted. Okay, हम जो सामने वाले में देखते हैं वो हमारा ही रिफ्लेक्शन रहता है. For getting respect and appreciation from someone else, you need to do that first with yourself, because it has to radiate from you. As I told you, आप सबसे पहले यू हैव टू बिल्ड दैट कैरेक्टर. आपके अंदर वो कैरेक्टर लाना पड़ेगा जहाँ पर आप अपनी खुद की रिस्पेक्ट करते हैं, खुद को अप्रिशिएट करते हैं. इफ़ यू स्टार्ट डूइंग दैट, ट्रस्ट मी, देयर इज नो वन एल्स इन द वर्ल्ड. एंड लेट मी टेल यू अ फ्यू मोर थिंग्स. लाइक आई टोल्ड यू, देयर आर एग्जाम्पल्स. देयर आर सो मेनी टाइम्स दैट यू फाइंड समवन who could not be physically very attractive. ऐसे कई लोगों को हम जानते हैं जो लोग physically बहुत attractive नहीं रहते. We all know that there are couples where one of the other person is not physically attractive, okay, yet they are badly in love. Why? Because there is one other person who actually believes in what they are over there for. Okay, so you might see a lot many couples who look like misfits. दोनों में से कोई एक है, one of them would be a highly intellectual person, दूसरा होगा वो बहुत ज़्यादा spendthrift होगा. So there are so many times you will find couples who are completely misfit, but yes, they are madly in love with each other. Why? Because of the same thing. One person actually liked the character of the other person, and this person was completely true. This person was selfish. एक बच्चा आप देखेंगे, you see a small child, there is no other example of being selfish other than a child. A child will ask for food when it wants. A child will ask for a toy when it wants. एक बच्चे को सब चीज़ उसके मतलब के हिसाब से चाहिए रहती है. नाउ टेल मी अ पर्सन हु डजंट लाइक अ चाइल्ड. एवरीवन लव्स चिल्ड्रन. व्हाई? एंड दे आर सेल्फिश. दे विल स्टार्ट क्राइंग फॉर फूड वेरेवर दे वांट अ टॉय, दे विल गो एंड क्राई, राइट? बट एट द सेम पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम देयर इज एन इनोसेंस, एंड दैट्स व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू टेल यू. व्हेन देयर इज एन इनोसेंस इन अ रिलेशनशिप, एवरीथिंग स्टार्ट्स वर्किंग. एंड टू गेट दैट इनोसेंस, you need to be selfish. And you guys can try it. You guys can try it for almost a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, okay? And when you come back, you will say that everything changed. Not for the other person, it changed for me. Not for the other person. For anything to go out properly, inside it needs to be proper. Inside, आपको अंदर से अच्छा लगना चाहिए. If that doesn't happen, nothing's going right, okay? What to do when you have never been selfish? Because the minute you become, they say you changed a lot, or you become so rude, etc., then you ask yourself, am I doing anything wrong? You're not doing anything wrong. See, first of all, you need to test things, okay? Nothing comes with a specific trademark. So you go into a hotel will have a menu. A relationship doesn't come with a menu, right? A relationship never comes with a menu. Every single relationship, there is only one relationship that I know can go through the tides and times. It is brothers and sisters, siblings. Only siblings can go together because it is almost a relationship that you have to be in. Right? So you'll always find sisters and brothers, they can go and say anything to you. And the same thing happens with close friends. They can say anything to us, right? And you don't take it in any way wrong. That is the same thing that needs to be happening in a relationship. And for that, you need to get into the same mode that you were in with the relationships. Any kind of sibling. So I will go ahead and give you my example. My siblings would never take me seriously. And that's the charm of it. They would laugh me out. They would smile me out. And every time that you go ahead and do something, it becomes a joke, and that's exactly what is the innocence of a relationship. Let people say. You're not over there to prove it to anyone, right? If you start proving it to anyone, you're getting into a role, and I'm saying get off the role. You don't have to prove it to anyone. That's getting into the role, and then adjusting according to people. Don't get into that. And I would always say be alone, and that's perfectly fine. Rather than staying with 10 fake people, it's better to be with one original person, and that has to be you, okay? Look into the mirror, and if you feel that you are yourself, you don't need friends. You will get the best of the friends in your life, but you have to stand over there, okay? A flag, it can wave only if it is solidly, if it is solid in the ground. एक झंडा तभी दिखता है, right? Unless and until अगर वो बहुत ऊपर नीचे होगा, you would not be able to see a flag. So you have to be rock strong in the ground, and for that you need to go and create that individuality. You should not be jumping into roles. Okay, so when you get into the role of a wife, you start pleasing your husband. When you get into the role of your mother, that is exactly what's happening with Indian women, right? They get into the role of a mother, they start changing. Because it is all about the child and the possessiveness of the child, right? यहाँ मत जाओ, वहाँ मत जाओ, and soon you will find a woman, she gets confused. You'll find a lot of, it is very sad to see so many women are confused in their life. They have so many questions. Whenever you go and talk to them, they will only come up with questions. They are confused because they are playing so many roles. Before the husband, they have to play a different role. Before the child, they have to play a different role. And it is only the wife that is adjusting. And I am telling you guys, please get out of that roles. It is the same thing with men also. Men have to play a lot of roles, and sometimes men get crazy. And then you will find them jumping from alcoholism to cigarettes and this and that. That should not be happening, right? Josuya. When they laugh at you, at that time you don't feel bad? No. Why should I feel bad? It's perfectly fine. I mean, see, I am myself, and that's exactly what I'm saying. You have to go and create that part in you, okay? And you can easily go and create it. It's just a practice. It's just a practice. So for the first time that you start riding a cycle, you will fall, okay? But then you don't stop cycling, right? I would not do that. So if you have to learn swimming, you have to be ready to be drowned, right? And it's not about the relationship. It's about the charm of swimming. It is the charm of cycling. So forget everyone else. You need to be in a good relationship with yourself, right? So early morning you wake up and you see yourself in the mirror. You should not be saying, okay, oh, what ugly guy. No. I'm perfectly fine. And that does not mean that you start comparing yourself with someone else on the social media. I am perfect just the way that I am. Everyone else is perfectly well in their rights. Okay. Now, even if someone gets a higher salary, do you get lower salary just because the other person is getting higher salary? No, it never happened that way. Do you get lesser sunshine? No. Do you get lesser air because a person in the other room is doing pranayams? Never. It has never happened. All of the good things in life, okay, they are abundant, including love. So you should not be hankering about it. You should not be taking your bowl and saying, nahi, mujhe pyar chahiye karke. Don't do that. And this is for everyone. You will find it. Okay? Don't run out of it. Run out for it. आप अपने हिसाब से रहिए, खुश रहिए, and people will come to you. And this is a universal principle. मैं नहीं उसमें कुछ बोल रहा हूँ. ठीक है? I'm not saying anything into it. It comes right from the time that there was William James. ये बड़े बड़े psychologists हैं जिनका मैं नाम ले रहा हूँ. Sigmund Freud है, Carl Jung है. And then there are modern scientists also. There are so many documentaries on it. And it simply means one thing, that you just have to be natural. You just have to be yourself and have patience. Okay? Don't run out for going ahead and proving yourself to anyone. You don't have to. Let people laugh and that's perfectly fine. कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना, Twinkle. They will do. And the moment you start ignoring them, which means, you don't even go ahead and take any action. That's the point of time that they will lose energy on you. Why do people laugh on you? It is because you feel bad. The day that you start feeling, you just don't go ahead and don't take care about it. I mean, you're just not bothered. What will happen? You could even become a superstar. Have you heard about this superstar called, he's from Bangladesh. His name is Alom. Anyone over here who's heard? Can you guys go ahead and raise your hand? Have you heard about this superstar? And he's a superstar, I don't know. But he calls himself a superstar. Media calls him a superstar. From Bangladesh, his name is Alom. He had this firm determination. He had this firm determination that he had to become a hero. People laughed at him. He became a hero. And he charges money for a public, for a public appearance. He charges money. So it's your determination, nothing else. How to respect ourselves? By saying no to people and stop being available. First of all, you don't have to say anything to people. Okay? It's not people's concern. Respect comes all by yourself, right? आपको खुद को आना चाहिए. It is all inside. Me respecting myself is all about me, myself. It doesn't mean that, I have to be a graduate or I have to be a PhD, nothing at all. Respect is just there. It is just like, these are all normal things. These are all things that, you don't have to go outside, right? Respect is all inside. Love is all inside. You just have to go and find it in yourself. And that will happen only when you become selfish. And that is why I am saying, get as selfish as you can. अपने बारे में सबसे पहले सोचिए. And when you start thinking about yourself, and that is exactly what's not happening with women nowadays. They are always cluttered यहाँ वहाँ पर. They are always comparing themselves with other women on social media. More successful men. Men always compare themselves with more successful men. That should not be happening. Success should not be the criteria in any way, and we know that. We know that. Yet somewhere down the line, the role doesn't make you believe, because we are always in our roles. If you are in the role, you would not believe it. If you get into your character, being natural, you might get it. Why? Because it is imbibed with us. It is imbibed. I am asking everyone over there, till the age of 10, 11, 12, did you have the same issues that you have today? Everyone will say no. It is not about you growing up. It's about the mindset changing. It is about the mindset changing. It has got nothing to do with internet. 25 years back, when there was no internet, people still had the same issues. People still had relationship issues. People were still divorcing each other. It is because they did not know how to jump from a role to a character. Just have to jump from your role to the character and you are perfectly fine. When you jump from your role to your character, you don't have to be bothered about anyone else. But that doesn't mean that you start being rude with people. You start getting arrogant with people. Okay. First of all, the whole attention should not be outside. It has to be inside. Okay. Being selfish simply means you are putting all your attention inside. But it's a pain to watch him. Mr. Alom, honest opinion, Mr. Abhi. Oh yes, yesterday there was a song that we were watching him, and he's a guy who's actually even met Shah Rukh Khan. So at a point of time his fame touched at a place, and his determination was so high that even Shah Rukh Khan met him when he went to Kolkata, maybe for the shooting of Zero. So that's the determination, guys. Let me tell you one thing very, very clearly. It's all your determination. It's all your determination. I know 10 many people personally who are at the peak of their career, okay, and they just don't bother how they look like. They're just not bothered about their physical appearance. They're just bothered about one thing, what they do. Okay. One last example, and then I will go ahead and say goodbye. Nope. Mandeep Kaur. Mandeep has joined, I think so. Mandeep, namaste. कैसे हैं आप? I know about Alom. मनीष भाई, आपने देखा है क्या उनको? Have you seen him? Because I have heard that when he was just becoming a star, he used to go in most of the malls, and people were very crazy of taking a selfie with him. And then there are videos. Now I'm not promoting Alom or anyways. I'm just saying that there are people, if they believe in themselves, they can get anywhere that they want. And this is about everyone. One last question, let me go ahead and tell it to you about every single person. Now everyone over here has got an idol, and everyone knows who is the superstar in India, right? In India. Now someone might say Rajnikant hai, someone might say it is Amitabh Bachchan, someone might say it is someone else. Let me ask you one thing, guys. एक चीज मैं पूछ लेता हूँ आपसे. Did you always love Amitabh Bachchan, or did you always love Rajnikant, or was it through their movies that you started loving them? Did you always love the voice of Udit Narayan, or was it after listening to his songs that you started loving them? Did you always know about Elon Musk? Did you always know about Jeff Bezos? Did you always know about Mukesh Ambani, or was it through what they did? Let me tell you what they did, what was coming from their character. Okay, that's the power of getting into your character. When you get into your character, you are natural. You get to the peak of your heights, and that is where your attraction starts. Anyone in this world, anyone, okay, you pick up one single person, any one person, even Shah Rukh Khan. Now you can go ahead and pick up anyone. I can go ahead and talk about every other person. Have you guys heard about Dhanush? Anyone over here has heard about Dhanush? I know 10 other people, but I can talk about Dhanush. Anyone who's heard about Dhanush? Anyways, Amitabh Bachchan, okay, there were times that he was rejected because of his voice. There were times that he was rejected because of his skin tone. And everyone knows that he's a superstar. Now think about it, that he would have taken a back seat. He would have taken a back seat. Because someone thought that he thought that people were laughing on him. What would have happened? He wouldn't have become a superstar. So Twinkle, people will laugh. It's about them, it's not about you. People will laugh. They have a mouth. They will laugh. That's perfectly fine. It's their character. It is their role. Let it be. You don't have to be bothered about it. You have to go inside and try searching for yourself. That's being natural. Okay. Also want to ask how to be positive when other people around you are negative. You just have to be positive. Okay. I will give you an example about it. At a point of time, I was living in a place which was full of people who were absolutely negative. So I was with people at a point of time in almost 2 or 3 months. I was staying in Chennai, and I was with some roommates who were always negative. They would start their day with alcohol, they would end their day with alcohol. Okay, and it's not that they were vagabonds. They were at They were, at a higher designation. They were managers or CEOs or something like that. And we used to meet. Either some place or, they had their roommates, I had my roommates. And there was a point of time that, I just did not bother what they were thinking. So many a times I would be in the room, but I would not be inside the room with them. So I was not with them, I was with me, myself. So they would be drinking and I would be sitting over there. They would be watching a specific documentary or they would be watching porn. It did not bother to me because I was just myself. Okay. And they did not go and ask me about after some time. They would say, okay, fine, this guy is always aloof, that's perfectly fine. I did not have to prove that, I am alone, I am a lonely person. No, I had my own friends. I still have my close friends. I have a wife whom I love and she loves me. I think so that's more than possible. Everyone can do that. It is just that, we don't have to run. You just have to give space, not to the other person. Giving space is giving space to yourself. Right? This is for Ekta. Start giving space to yourself. Instagram का ऐसा क्यों है पता नहीं. I am not able to scroll down. Okay. No, Ekta, no one would take you for granted unless only you don't take yourself for granted. No one can take you for granted. It is said that, people can try to insult you. Okay. They cannot unless only you don't feel insulted. And then there are many other cases where people were told that, there were Indians who were, this, right? So Mahatma Gandhi was said that Indian dogs are not allowed, right? In a hotel. And then the same hotel became Taj Mahal. It's about your determination, guys. Let people talk what they want to talk. It is your own motivation. There are singers, there are eloquent speakers who have come out of it. It doesn't matter. And then there are dancers. There are wonderful dancers in the world. I can go and take their names. And they were told, they were rejected on face. There were people who became Indian idols later on. They were rejected on their face. कि अपनी आवाज़ सुनी है कभी तुमने? अपने आप को कभी देखा है? It doesn't matter. Harsha is joining. Namaste sir. बढ़िया. ठीक है, मैं भी बढ़िया हूँ. What to do when you have never been selfish? Because the minute you become, they say you changed a lot. So when you say you've never been selfish, and the minute you become, so when did you never become selfish? And the minute you became, so you were selfish. It is just that you did not become. Okay, and it's always good to go in and address the issue right on the hand. It is very simple. You are selfish. We are all selfish by nature. It is just that we don't have to be mean. Okay. When you say you have never been selfish, it simply means you did not show that you were selfish. You were always selfish. Okay. It simply means that way. If that is what is being conveyed. So it's clear. You see, there should not be any guilt in being selfish. What's wrong in going ahead and telling people, ठीक है मैं हूँ करके. I don't want to drink. This is exactly what I said. To all of the people, when couples come to me and they say, I don't want to drink on a Saturday. Okay, I was having a headache. My husband said that, we all have to go and have a good time. After a long time, COVID has, there has been relaxation in COVID. I brought 2 beers. Let's go and have. I said, it's all up to you. You have to go and put your foot down. Beers will come and go. COVID will come and go. But this time, you just have to sustain it. So just put your foot down. No, it's not mine. And you have to be a little bit more eloquent about it. You can be a little bit more graceful about it. Being graceful is what exactly matters, right? You don't have to be rude. You don't have to be arrogant. Right, guys, we will have to go and close the show. Very true, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much for this. This is so helpful. Thank you. How to respect ourselves. You just have to go and respect, start doing affirmations. That's one of the best things. Okay. And one thing that I would tell you to do is, Ekta, this is for you. Affirmations work magic, okay, when you have to respect yourself. The second thing that you will have to do is start changing your behavior, okay. And what do I mean by that? The first thing that you will have to do is, don't worry of what people think. For 2 to 3 days in a week, at least for 1 to 2 days, okay, just be yourself. So stand before the mirror, wear whatever you want. You don't have to go out. You don't have to go and ask people, how are you looking like? मैं कैसे दिख रही हूँ? Forget everything about it. And just be in your skin. You eat whatever you want. For the next 6 days, you do your diet or whatever. For 1 day, be happy. Eat whatever you want. Drink whatever you want. Dress the way that you want. You don't have to go out nowadays as it is COVID. And if you have people around you who are negative, who say, क्या पहना है ये? Let them talk. They will talk and then they will keep quiet. Negativity is never been consistent. Understand this. This is for everyone. And give me a clap if you if you agree with this. A negative person will go ahead and boil and burn himself. आप लोगों ने देखा होगा नेगेटिव लोगों को, दे बिकम ओल्डर, बहुत जल्दी बूढ़े हो जाते हैं. पीपल हु आर नेगेटिव, ओके, उनको थायराइड की प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है, लिम्फ ग्लैंड्स उनके सूज जाते हैं, उनको डैंड्रफ होने लग जाता है, एंड दे स्टार्ट गेटिंग सैगी स्किन, and they start losing their skin tone, they start losing their charm. Within 4 to 5 years, negative people start burning themselves. You shouldn't be bothered about them. Let them be negative. It's their choice. It is their role. It is their character. Don't object with their roles, because then they will start objecting with your roles. Okay? How to be positive? Just be happy. Forget about positivity and negativity. Just be happy. That's it. एक दिन पूरा अपने आप के साथ खुश रहिए. Come back next day. Let me know. आप मुझे जानते हैं Instagram पे. Come back and let me know कि क्या हुआ करके. Just be happy. Okay? And there's no problem. Just go ahead and wear whatever you want. Eat whatever you want. Sing if you want. Don't go ahead and sing at 4 a.m. in the morning. Otherwise, people will show their roles to you. So don't get into that role. Okay? Don't be troublesome. Don't be rude. Don't be arrogant. Thank you. I know about Alom. It's a pain. बढ़िया सर, बढ़िया, बहुत अच्छा है. कहाँ थे आप? तुसी कहाँ थे? Hello. For me it's SSR. Yes, for me also it is SSR. Now it's going to be a very long topic because my wife doesn't even love Dhanush, okay? I love Dhanush, okay, because of all of the things, maybe his acting and things. You guys don't know about him. That's the movie. There's a movie called Ranjana, and I love him for his acting skills, not for but then everyone looks at people differently, right? हम सभी लोग अलग अलग तरीके से देखते हैं. Thank you. I do not know. मुझे Instagram. It's okay to be selfish. It is always okay to be selfish. We were born selfish. Whenever you wanted milk, you were crying. You were telling your mother, give me milk. Okay? And you actually raised an alarm when you were all alone. You wanted attention. We are attention seekers. There's no problem in being attention seekers. Okay? A child is naked and he just wants attention. He or she wants attention. There is so much of activity. You see the energy in a child. It is because he is in his character. A child is natural. The most natural, most selfish thing is a child. And tell me you don't love him. And I asked you one thing once again and again. If you have any idols, let me know if you have an idol that you knew right from the childhood. हम किसी को नहीं जानते. We don't know anyone. We don't even know. I love SSR, but do I know उनकी childhood कैसी थी? Yes, we will know from social media, but I don't know him from his childhood. There will be people who will be knowing him from his childhood, right? But then you know people, you love them more because of what they do, right? Tomorrow there will be people who will certainly go in and hit the like or love button because they love what I do, right? It's because of what you do. Remember one thing, and that is what Steve Jobs says. This is what Steve Jobs says. Steve Jobs says, he's not bothered about how much of money people make, okay? He doesn't love people because of how much of money they make. He loves people he loves people because of what people make, okay? And this is a great statement. बहुत ज़बरदस्त है ये कि वो उनसे लोगों से इसीलिए प्यार नहीं करते कि उनके पास कितना पैसा है, बट वो इसीलिए प्यार करते हैं वो कितना दे सकते हैं. What is the service that they were offering? What could they make, right? We can't control what's happening outside, but we can control what happens inside. Trying best to do this, but sometimes failed. I know it very clear, but sometimes I fail. Yes, I know. That's a long journey, right, Mandeep? Mandeep's journey has been a completely different journey, and we know, right? Poonam, pata hoga aapko. We were all together while we were doing the group, and during the group, we know because we were actually sharing all our joys and sorrows and the videos and everything. So yes, that's been a journey. See guys, I was talking about people whom you learn from, and these are the people that I learn from. Okay, these are the people we all learn from each other, right? And these are the people whom you know. We all know that people go off balance. हम सभी को पता है हम सभी लोग कमज़ोर पड़ते हैं. But there is a character that you build, right? And we start liking that character. And it is the character that people have, right? A little more love for saying this, Mr. Ravi. Thank you. Truth or core. Amazingly explained as always. Thank you. We have to become ourselves. You mean right? Yes, you have to be ourselves. You just have to be yourself. That's it. Just be happy. बट लोग गिल्टी फील कराते हैं, लोगों को कराने दीजिए, आप लोगों को गिल्टी फील कराइए. देयर इज वन मोर वे टू गो एंड डू दैट, ऑलवेज गो एंड गिव बैक इन द सेम वे. तो पूरी ताकत झोंक दीजिए. ओके, एंड आई हैव ट्राइड दिस, मैंने बहुत बार ये ट्राई किया. इफ समवन वुड गो एंड कम एंड टेल मी समथिंग कि अरे यार तुम ये क्या कर रहे हो करके, तुम मेडिटेट कर रहे हो, ये क्या है करके, आई वुड गो एंड स्टार्ट आस्किंग देम, अच्छा मेडिटेट नहीं करूँ तो क्या करूँ, आपके जैसे लोगों को कूड़ा करकट दूँ. एंड आई वुड स्टार्ट आस्किंग देम क्वेश्चंस. क्वेश्चंस आर समथिंग दैट कैन कीप पीपल ऑफ बैलेंस. When people start telling you something, अरे तुमने क्या पहना है करके, तो अच्छा क्या पहनूं मैं, तुम्हारे हिसाब से ये ठीक है और ये ठीक है तो क्यों ठीक है. स्टार्ट गेटिंग इन टू द कादर खान मोड. आप लोगों को पता है कादर खान क्या करते थे. देयर आर टू मेनी मूवीज वेयर कादर खान व्हाट ही वुड डू. उसको लोग आके पूछे आपने खाना खाया, हाँ नहीं खाया तो तू क्या खाना खिलाएगा मुझे. सो गेट इन टू दैट कादर खान मोड. इफ यू वॉन्ट टू गो एंड स्ट्राइक नेगेटिव पीपल, दैट्स द ओनली वे. हैव यू गाइज हर्ड अबाउट दिस जोक. आप लोगों ने सुना ही होगा. सो देयर वाज दिस यंग गर्ल एंड whenever she would go into a wedding, the older women would go and say तेरा time कब आएगा करके. And there was a funeral in the somewhere around, and the girl went ahead and started telling the older women, the older ladies, तुम्हारा time कब आएगा करके. So it is the only way to go ahead and deal with people. Go ahead and give them back. Just go ahead and give them back. एकता, don't keep it in yourself. Okay, if people are into their role, you can get into better role. And trust me, हम लोगों ने कई बार एक्टिंग की है, झूठ बोलने की, मस्ती करने की. That's the best thing that we can do. Go ahead and do that. Very very helpful session. Thank you for the affirmations you post every day. Thank you. Awesome, very nicely explained as always. Thank you for this session. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. High five for this Pati Dev. Thank you. I like Dhanush when I like Dhanush. I was about to bring this Dhanush topic. Okay guys, so we'll end it on a simple note. Okay, just go ahead and do whatever you want to do, guys. Be happy, don't be rude, don't be arrogant, don't be mean. Being selfish simply means being natural, being to your core. Okay, and if that makes you happy, just be happy. Let people talk. हर जगह पर in-laws होते ही हैं. You will have in-laws, you will have different kind of people. You will have people who want to pull you down. It is because they are not happy. People who want to pull you down, they are always below you. They're already below you. कौन नीचे खींचना चाहेगा जो आपके ऑलरेडी नीचे है. बट आप उनको इतना इंपॉर्टेंस देंगे तो आप तो खुद कीचड़ में जाएंगे, राइट. आई वॉन्ट टू ऐड समथिंग. व्हेन माई हस्बैंड स्टार्ट्स आस्किंग क्वेश्चन, ट्रस्ट मी, यू आर डेड. yes, I ask a lot of questions. Yes, you guys need to get into that Kader Khan mode. Okay, anyone goes and strikes you, come back and tell me मैंने उसको अच्छी तरह से ले लिया करके, बहुत अच्छी तरह से. There was a point of time that we were doing it in the groups and बहुत अच्छा लगता था. Lovely session. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया दोस्तों. So I will see you guys in the next session. Till then, of course, you guys stay smiling, stay happy, stay loving. If there is anything that you want to ask, please go ahead and send me a message. Okay, I just want you guys to be very healthy and happy. There is something that we are born with an intention with. I really love seeing people happy. So if there is anything that I can do for you guys, come back. If there is anything related to health, ask me. Whatever I can do, I will surely go and do. Right? चलिए शुरू करते हैं और बंद भी कर देते हैं. थैंक यू. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आप लोगों का. कल मिल